Hey visibility hackers, today we're talking about helping to make your online business successful. I've been running businesses online for over a decade now, and I have seen businesses come and go. I have seen entrepreneurs come and go. I have seen trends in strategies and tactics come and go as well. And so today we're going to talk about what it takes to make your online business successful. And I would know. Hey, I'm Coach Molle from the Visibility Hacking team, and we help small businesses grow their visibility online, find their ideal customers, nurture those who are already in their worlds up to their high-paying products. And so today, of course, we're going to harness all of that experience and knowledge so that you don't have to go through those hassles and headaches and upsets yourself, and you can just get straight into being successful. We're going to talk about your number one job as a business owner. Then we're going to talk about how to get more customers. And at the end of the video, I'll show you the simple way to know what works. So for this and more, stay tuned. Your number one job as a business owner is to understand your customer and then to create solutions that help your customer along their journey. So I like to start out by identifying what the tangible result is we help our clients achieve. What is that tangible result that our clients are facing that they really, really want, but they're struggling to achieve? So that's our tangible. Then we figure out, how do we actually get those results for our people? That is our most important job in the visibility hacking world. We focus on understanding the pain points, the problems, the obstacles that our customers are facing. And then all we do is create products and solutions that meet those needs. And that's what your business should be doing as well. Whether you're a financial coach or a fitness coach, everyone is going to be helping your customers achieve some sort of result. And your job is to understand what that desired result is and to help overcome the obstacles that your customers are facing on their journey to achieving that result. If you can move those obstacles out of the way, or you can make it easier for them to achieve that result, then you're going to see a great increase in the number of people who are coming to you for the solution. That's how you prove your solution. Now, if you have the problem of not being served up great content on YouTube, then hit the subscribe button and join us here on the Visibility Hacking channel, and then YouTube will serve you up great content. Simple solution. Now, if you want to start bringing in more customers, new customers to your movement, then you have to start looking in more than one place. You don't want to exhaust a well, for example. Actually, think of it this way. If you were out and you were homesteading and you were trying to survive, you wouldn't just rely on one well for your water. Because if that well one day decides to dry up, then you are out of luck. So instead, what I want you to do is look for a variety of water sources. Look for a variety of traffic sources, places where your ideal customer is hanging out, where they're waiting for you and your solutions. Because if you diversify the streams of where you're getting your customers, then not only will you be able to gather more information about your customer like we just talked about, but you're also able to switch. Say if one platform just decides that it's going to shrivel up, or if one day Facebook just decides that it's not going to be there anymore, and you've been relying so heavily on only using Facebook as your place to gather customers, then you're going to be out of luck. So I want you to diversify. I want you to look in lots of different places. And that includes looking places that aren't online. I know, shocking, but maybe try looking at places like your local community. Look for other business organizations. Look for others of your ideal customers who are out there in your neighborhood, for example. Don't just look online, and don't just look in person. Look online as well. Diversity is key. Now, if you find really cool places, of course, where you are finding your ideal customer, or you find an insight that was a total aha moment, then let us know down in the comments, because I'm curious how your journey's going. As a business owner, you're probably feeling like you're wearing a lot of different hats. You're trying to do so many different things in your business. And even if you're further along in your business and you've systematized and you've delegated correctly and you're focusing on the growth phase of your business, I want you to know that there is a very simple way to know what's working with the content that you're putting out there, with your messaging that you're putting out there. And the way to do this is through what's known as A/B split testing. So say, for example, you have a Facebook or a YouTube thumbnail. You have a YouTube video that went out. Maybe it was your previous live stream show. And that thumbnail is what's going to attract or detract your viewers. So what you can do, and with the help of some tools, is to put out 2 different thumbnail options and then to see which one customers wanted or people wanted to click on instead. Same thing happens when we're creating offers. We can create 2 different offers with one minor change between the 2 of them that we can compare. And then we put that out into the world and we see which one had the higher conversion rate. And then we do it again and we test something else. When I'm building funnels, for example, I'll build out the majority of the funnel and then I'll tweak a headline and I'll test out a few different varieties of headlines through this A/B testing. I'll test out different colors. Everything you put into your designs, into your content, into your messaging has the ability to be split tested. And it would be amazing if we all had the time and energy and connection with our people to be able to split test everything like that. But that is a place that I want you guys to start. I want you to know that when you launch something, it doesn't have to be perfect. And actually, it'll never be perfect. It should never aspire to be perfect on that first launch, because once you get it out into the world, that's the start of the fun. That's when we start to bring people through that process and we can adjust. We can see if we tweak this one little thing, will that change behavior and draw more people in? If we change this one little thing, will that stop all of these questions being asked because we've just answered it? It's just like when you're developing your webinars, you want to test things out and then use the best things for that final product. Always be evolving, always be changing and adding and reflecting on the things that you have learned at each iteration. Those are the simple ways to make sure that your online business is successful. And of course, you want to give your people, you're diversifying your content, your traffic streams, for example, but you want to give your people some type of valuable content when they arrive on your platform, right? And so I always say, start a live show, start a regular platform, or what we call a connection machine. Build your stage, and that will begin to position you as the authority in your industry, as the expert in your field, in what you do. And if you want to learn more about building those connection machines, one that is unique and perfect for you, your business, your movement, and the impact you want to have in the world, well, join us over in the visibility hacking world. Come over to visibilityhacking.com. And on that page, there's a link that says Become a Visibility Hacker. Click on that and it'll bump you over into our awesome Facebook group, and there'll be so much fun stuff that happens there. I don't even have time to tell you about it all right now. So come over, visibilityhacking.com. We'll see you over there. And in the meantime, enjoy these videos. See you again soon. Remember, I love you. Be excellent to each other and just go live. Go find your people. They're waiting for you.